What if I told you that you've been colorblind your entire life? Not to colors outside the rainbow, but to colors that exist right here, in this video, that your brain actively deletes before you can perceive them. This isn't a metaphor, this is neuroscience. Your eyes have three cone types: red, green, blue. They're the hardware, evolution's camera sensor. But here's where it gets weird. Your brain runs software called opponent process theory. It says certain color pairs cannot be seen together. Red and green? Cancels out. Yellow and blue? Impossible. Neural firewall installed. But here's the secret scientists don't tell you. Reddish-green and yellowish-blue exist in physics. They're real light frequencies. Your brain just senses them to prevent sensory overload. Evolution decided survival, seeing tigers in grass, mattered more than experiencing the full electromagnetic spectrum. In the 1980s, scientist Hewitt discovered something bizarre. When subjects stared at specific high-contrast patterns, they reported seeing colors that shouldn't exist, colors they couldn't name, colors that felt like they were glowing from within. He called them chimerical colors, after mythical creatures that shouldn't exist. Why does this work better on your 2026 smartphone? OLED screens, perfect blacks, infinite contrast. When you fatigue load specific photoreceptors with precise cyan and magenta patterns, you create a temporary glitch in the color balancing algorithm. For a fraction of a second, the firewall drops, and then you see it. Reddish-green, a color with no name in any human language. It shouldn't exist. It feels vibrating, impossible, wrong. Scientists documented two specific chimerical colors: Stygian blue, blue so deep it feels darker than black yet somehow glowing, and self-luminous red, red that seems to emit its own light. Why would evolution block these beautiful experiences? Simple. Contrast saves lives. Your ancestor needed to spot a predator in the grass, not appreciate artistic depth. These colors offer no survival advantage, so your brain filters them out. Efficiency over experience, function over beauty. Recent 2025 neuroscience data reveals something incredible. When people perceive impossible colors, their brains create temporary new neural pathways. Even after the effect fades, the brain remains slightly rewired, more open, more flexible. You're not just seeing something new, you're becoming someone new. By 2026, neural implants and bionic lenses will make these forbidden colors permanent. Artists will paint with the full physics of light, and you'll realize this is just one reality hidden behind your biological hardware. The question is, what else are you not seeing? Subscribe to find out.